Okay, Michael, so unfortunately, say goodbye to your Zippy 4500 3-cells. You can see we're in discharge mode because we tried to fix her, and that is the problem. It actually broke the positive main connector straight off the battery substrate. So that's something I can't fix, or I don't know how to fix. Anyway, we're down to cell structure issues. The solder was good, both your leads were connected, but she was broken from the battery. So this is a mechanical failure, and therefore temporary connectivity for discharge to 0.